how to see the liked reels on Instagram. This is what I will show you in this video. So first of all, you need to go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. From here you need to go and click these three horizontal bars which are on the top right hand side, and from the next menu you need to look for the activity or your activity. With the update of apps, this might not be at the same sequence as it is right now at position number 3, so it may go down, but you need to look for your activity and click. You need to look for the interactions. Right now interactions, content, shares, everything is shown in one menu, but sometimes you may find that if your app is not updated or in future they might change the position, you will see these likes over here. Here you will see all the photos, videos and the reels that you have liked. You can manually go and search for the particular reel that you are looking for, or else there is an option on the top. You have filters, all content type, you need to click that, and from there you can clear all, and then you can click reels and then apply, and then now you would only see all the liked reels on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.